What's going on, everybody? So this is a short video. This is a short clip. I fished the New River as with the West Virginia kayak anglers a couple weeks ago, and I had just a painful day of catching small fish. I didn't want to bore you guys with that because I appreciate y'all watching, and I don't know many people that want to watch me catch 8 to 12-inch fish. So um, I'm putting the one big fish that I caught all day that really made my day. I'm putting that fish here for you guys to see. It was a cool catch, happened right at the boat. Man, just watch, check it out. It's gonna be coming up here real soon. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching, and please like and subscribe and share these videos too. It really helps me out. So take a look.
That's a really solid upgrade. I'm pretty sure our smallest fish is 11 inches, so that's going to be a dang good upgrade right there.
Alright, so here I'm gonna be going through the process of measuring the fish and getting it all ready and everything for submission. I'm gonna throw a picture of the fish up on the screen here, and just to kind of give you an idea what it looked like, because I completely forgot to show this fish to the camera. So I'm sorry. But yeah, so I'll throw a picture up there of it. But this is just me going through the process. This is, letting the fish calm down a little bit, um, getting it on the measuring board, making sure I have a good picture, making sure my identifier is good. Just that whole process is a part of kayak fishing that is overlooked. And my buddy Jeff Little just did a video with me on that, and it's on his channel. I strongly suggest you go check it out on his kayak fishing skills playlist. So, thanks for watching.